on the way to Nami Island. Let's go. Okay, so while we wait for the train, we have some quick breakfast. We have some coffee and another coffee. Maganda na hot sila kasi ang lamig pa rin today. It's -2. Alright, now what Gapyong? So we're going to ride a taxi. I think one last transport before arriving at Nami Island. And now we're going to the ferry or wharf. We're going to take one boat ride on the way to Nami Island. May mga kainan pa dito. So kung hungry pa rin kayo, yan, madami pa rin namang options. So ayun pa, may heater sila. Thank you Lord for heaters. So additional information, every 20 minutes may boat. So walang timetable, we just have to wait for the boat. Here at the Nami Island. So for today we're going to eat first. We haven't had a proper meal yet. It's already 10:30 I think. Here's the entire map of Nami Island. It's a huge island. Nandito pa lang kami sa left side ng island. So we're going to explore a lot of restaurants. Masabi mo Bina, pang ano mo na to? Pang 7th Nami Island mo na. Ano masasabi mo?
Ganda pa din.
Ganda pa rin, no? Still as is or better? Or better? Yun naman, no? Colder lang daw. So ingat lang tayo sa squirrels kasi naghahanap daw sila ng food. So pag sabihin pag may dala kang food, baka lumapit sila sa'yo, no? Ano to find? There's a peacock here, random spot. We're going to have our lunch. Yan. Okay, so we just ordered our lunch. We have bulgogi and hot pot and bibimbap. So medyo spicy lang yung iba nilang soup dishes. So we opted for these two. Pwede din mag-bike dito. The rental is per hour. Though baka di namin kayanin kasi masyadong malamig. Another exotic animal. Cat lang yun, di ba? Hey! Psst! Hey, Black Rabbit! You're here! So we have a key takeaway from walking.
There is beauty and fallen in.
Yeah, the beauty. So beautiful. So I think we have explored around 60 to 70% of the island. Or kung di man napuntahan lahat, nakita namin. Bye-bye Nami Island is being real.
So you're back.
So
We'll
we're back.
ride bicycle.
Yes. Still at Seoul. Now we're going to a Starbucks, a special one. The only Starbucks of this kind in this world. Garlic butter croissant and classic one. We also have cream croissant. Other cakes. This is the view of the cinema. There. So this is what we got: the salted bread, honey hatok, and castella cake. And we love our seats. Look at that. Now on the way to Goto Mall. In case you don't know what Goto Mall is. It is one of the cheap finds in the parang shopping area in Seoul. He has been there a lot of times already, and yeah, there are a lot of purchases made. Outfit. We're going for a night out for a quick dinner. Kasi nagutom kami dun sa blast ni Sir Je, no? Grabe yung SDE na yun. It's like wedding day all over again. Props to you, Sir Je. Consolacion. You the GOAT. We're going to Exendong again to catch some samgyup. Thank you, YP, for the first meal. What's that? Steamed egg. So yeah, I ordered also 2 cups of rice and yung mga side dish all around. Let's go! Diba? Saya, ingay dito. Then finish kami. Clean. What can you say? You ordered beef rib, finger, and beef turtle.
I like this one. This one's fatty, this one's leaner.
Yeah. Salamat. Salamat. Thank you. We're going back to the hotel. And that's the way to cap off our Wednesday. Peace! Day 5. So ngayon chill lang tayo. We left the hotel at 10:30 almost. Hindi yellow pa rin ang ginkgo trees. 5th day and still yellow.
And mabango pa din.
Mabango pa rin yung snack dito sa kanto. First things first, we're going to buy some tickets. So that's 240 pesos for the entrance. No re-entry. And just like that, we have a new surprise on the right. Bang! Si Kuya. No, the lakeside. Alright, so we're now here at Sulagil and about to eat our lunch, and we agreed to eat katsu for this lunch meal. 감사합니다. English, please. Japanese food pa rin kahit nasa Korea. No?
Hanap ng katsu. What's the best signature?
Oat cream latte.
But this isn't coffee.
No coffee.
These are the ingredients.
Oh, those are the ingredients. Look at that.
And your best one is the
So all of these make up the coffee, quote-unquote coffee
Wanna
drink.
get to?
Eh, wala masyadong tao. Bakit kaya? Ayaw ba nila ng hindi coffee? Orders already arrived. So we have here the oat cream latte and the vanilla latte. So yung ingredients ng coffee, date seeds, green apple, barley, chicory root, hibiscus, black pepper, rose hip, elderberry, orange peel, blackberry, rye, malted barley. Oh,
Barley.
barley. For your reference, we're not kidding. This is legit. Cheers. Wow, walang coffee to.
What?
We're now here at Sunsu, and we're going to do a couple of shop hopping for some pasalubongs and food that we'd like to try. So this is the salt bread place, and look at that line. Look at that line, bros. Yun siya from afar. Ay, this one.
May dalawang bag.
Thank you. Oh, look at that salted bread. Oh. So nice. So, yun nga lang, may kamali kami. Dalawa yung na-order namin. Dapat 2 pieces lang, pero 2 bags pala. So, all in all, 24,000 won ang nagastos natin dyan. Pero sana masarap.
Apat yung laman ng
4 pieces, isang
Bali,
bag.
3,000 siguro per bread.
So, 120 siguro per piece. So, tomorrow, ito na yung breakfast namin.
Wow.
Mm.
Super soft.
One of the best salt breads I've tasted. We're going to have one of Korean staples. Rhymes with ouch. Hindi pala. Spelling lang. Mom's touch. It's 6 p.m. and we're here at Mom's Touch. Wala yung touch. Pero ito, Mom's Touch. Yeah.
Parang hindi meron pa sa tapat. Mga stores.
Hindi ako siya.
You like this blender doon?
Totally, yeah? Wait.
Ikaw?
Ayun nga, no? Ang tagal natin walang vlog. The reason is,
Busy.
we're busy shopping. So, naabot na kami dito sa Zetaplex ng Lotte World sa Seoul Station. And yeah, got a very good supermarket deals, and also got good deals in Myeongdong. So, on the way home now, let's go. Bye. Day number 6.
6?
Yeah, 6 already. Tomorrow we're going home. Sad.
And Kyle has become a Saja boy.
I'm a Saja boy today, boys. Mamaya kanta tayo. Saja pop. So, today we're going to Mangwon Market and do some, again, shopping. May mga errands tayong tinatapos. Errands talaga, no?
Time pa ako. I think it's time I buy new.
Okay, it's time. Parang gano'n naman lagi na every after. Ayun, pag malapit na matapos yung bakasyon, masakit yung paa. Tapos yung lagi yung reason, buy daw ng shoes. Hindi naman effective kasi lagi sumasakit yung paa, no? So according to Reddit, this street of Mangwon Market stretches for about 300 meters and it's composed of different stores. May mga clothes, may mga socks, may food, dried food, seafood. It's a hidden gem in Seoul apparently, but hindi pa ganun kadaming tao. Usually people come at 11 a.m. and leave before 6 because that's when most of the stalls close. So ngayon it's 10:30 a.m. so we're just right in time. for early brunch and or early snacks. Yeah, 10k na lang. Alright, thank you.
그럼 10,000원.
Yeah, fried fish and assorted kimbaps. And meron din tayong tteokbokki and 2 orders of fish cake. So medyo spicy yung tteokbokki.
Malamig na pero pepper.
Sarap dito kasi mainit siya. And before he hands over the food, sinaslice niya yung chop pieces. Yung kimbap pa yun, slice na siya into 6 pieces. Pero buo
Tinanggal
yan.
niya rin yung stick mo, Oding.
Yung odeng, wala na stick oh. Rare na siya. Kakainin mo na siya, ready to eat. So for dessert, Ina is looking for some red bean and chocolate. Choco cream siya. Choc cream, sweet red bean, and sweet potato. Siyempre, fish market siya. So may fish na ganyan. So, how's the fish? Ano yung tatlong chocolate?
Oh, it's sound cream.
So how is it?
It's good.
It's good. So the taste is very very light. Very light sweetness. And magandang pagka-brittle nung sa edges niya. So it makes us crave for odeng once again kasi sweet nga siya. So gusto namin ng alat ulit. It's a cycle. So remember the salt bread 2 days ago? Or the other day? Meron siya isang branch dito. Walang tao. We're going to do some personalized / customized key tags. Ito siya, yung store. Name niya is Taag. Ayan. T-A-A-G, Taag. And we have waited for around 30 minutes for it to open kasi 12 o'clock daw siya mag-open and sakto.
Most stores, actually.
Most stores, 12 o'clock. Ayan, sakto.
12.
12:00 and perfect. Boom, it's open. Pakita mo naman yung final product mo.
Puzzle, because I like puzzles. Game Boy, because Kyle. Then ING.
Yeah.
That's all, thank you.
For now, we're going to have lunch here at Yugane. Chill muna kami kasi napagod kami maglakad-lakad. So, here we go. We ordered one dak galbi for 2. And here's the cheese that they're going to place around this plate. So there we have it, the best dak galbi I've tasted. And they're so full. Look at Ina. Oh. Happy, di ba? Kasi ganito yung pagkain natin. It's finished. It's good for 2 and sobrang dami nilang serving dito. Alright, so we're now here at Yoido. Yoido. Oh, how do you wanna pronounce it?
Yoido.
So medyo mainit na ngayon, no? 10 degrees na. 8 to 10 degrees. So mas kaya na siya than the previous days na 0, -2, 2 degrees, ganyan. So pang date place talaga siya. Actually yun yung plan natin, di ba? Mag-ramen lang while watching the sunset. Pero hindi na naabutan yung sunset for a last sunset here. May cruise terminal dyan on our left. So you can see the cruise terminal. So there are also restaurants there. There's a convenience store. See you. Parang nagko-cruise nga sila along the Han River. Tapos dito naman yung Uwido. And in front of us, and may mga restaurants din. We're going to do a tandem bike for 6.6, 1 hour. Ayan siya. So maximum of 2 hours. So I think you can do it longer naman. Ayun.
Ano, 1 hour
Automated
lang?
na. Sige, 1 hour. Lord, please be with us na walang ma-accident. Amen. Hello! Hi, dog. So yun, no? We're already 1 kilometer in sa aming pagtatandem bike. So far, wala pa namang injury, pero nangangatog na kami sa lamig. So here's our view. This is the Han River.
Pagdaan mo, i-record niya kung ano yung speed. Yun nga.
5. Why?
6.
Sayang. LeBron James. Alright, so we're done doing our tandem biking. And nakakapawis pala siya, no, kahit sobrang lamig kanina. Medyo pinawisan ako ng onte. And we're able to do 5K. So, yun nga lang, si Ina ayaw mag-ride ng bike. So, doon na siya sa likod. Chill lang siya. Chill. Pretty chill.
Uy, may technique pa din yun.
Yeah, but okay. Until
Kailangan
next time,
you
prove
let
it.
go.
Yeah, prove it next time kung kaya mo sa rider seat. We first go to Stand Oil. Remember yesterday, Ina didn't get her most awaited and most deserved and well sought bag, but now we're gonna get it. Hopefully they have the color that Ina wants. Brown one. Oh, congratulations.
Girl math.
Girl.
Basically, I got 2 bags. It's the white textile outside.
Okay, so hindi siya brown, pero pag reversed brown siya. Nice.
I love it.
Congrats.
Okay, I'm happy.
So, uwi na lang tayo, no? Ayun, stand for your daily life full of inspiration. So, merong Christmas village dito. We're just 1 floor higher. It's a long line pala yun, as you can see. So, dito na lang views natin. So, ayan siya. Christmas village. And dun yung mga cafes right there. Okay, so now we're going to get our stuff from the locker. Let's go! Okay, so it's already 9:40 but we're doing last minute art box. Really, so may basket na agad, wala pang ang bibilin. Grabe to. Now on the way to the airport, and then medyo na-rush kami this morning kasi napasarap yung tulog. Finally, we're able to check in everything. We're left with our hand carry bags. And just right in time, 11:49. Medyo delayed lang yung flight, no? 1:10 daw magka-close yung gate. To cap off our food trip. Ayan, full na yung meals natin. Dumating na rin yung aking fish cake udon.